Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to chat with Facebook support team. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So, if you want to chat or have a chat with Facebook support team and you want to get assistance on certain problems that you may be encountering right now, well, you may want to understand a few things first. So the thing with Facebook support, it is only available for what we call the business side for Facebook. Now, if you are just having problems with your Facebook account, you won't be able to contact support, but you can actually submit a ticket via the settings here. But I'm assuming right now you are using Meta Business Suite here and you want to get assistance. But in this case, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and just go to business.facebook.com and you want to go ahead and just choose the option here for all tools, and you want to go ahead and just access your ads manager. Now, in this case, go ahead and click on ads manager. This is what you should be seeing. Now, at the bottom left, you should see a question mark. Go ahead and click on help. Now, from here, you want to go ahead and click on the contact support at the bottom right of your screen. Let's go ahead and click or select that. It's going to ask you what issue are you having right now. So let's just say having issues editing, let's just say our campaign. Now from here, you want to go and provide all the details. So it needs at least 83 characters here. So go ahead and just fill that up. Now in here, you want to go and just choose the asset that you need assistance with. So after you select the next step option, by the way. So go and just choose the asset at the bottom right section of your screen. Now in here, you should be able to see the get help section, which in this case, you may want to attach certain files to prove your point here. If you have any screenshots, videos of the problem, you can also choose your email address and also the phone number. Now once you click on chat here, this will redirect you to the chat window and you'll be able to interact with their support team on Facebook. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.